Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. This video we have a bunch of amazing deals at Ace. I hear they're the place with the helpful hardware folks. Although as a hardware store, not great. I prefer Farm and Fleet. They have a much better hardware section. The hardware at Ace, it's a little lacking, to be honest with you, for a place that fancies himself as a hardware store. But we have a bunch of non-hardware deals. In this video, I'll have a single link down below and everything will be listed in the same order as you see it in the video. So we got 20 or 30 to go through. We're going to breeze through as quickly as we can here. First up, we have the Stanley Wonder Bar 12 3/4 inch pry bar, normally $9.99 down to $4.99. Also keep in mind that Ace Rewards members will get free shipping on orders of $50 or more. Otherwise, usually you can buy online and pick up in store. And the Ace Rewards program, it's exactly that, just rewards program. There's no fee like Harbor Freight. It's not a credit card. Easy to join. They send you coupons. You might as well. You get the free shipping if you spend 50 bucks, which you might as well, because who wants to drive to the damn store to pick up their order? Nobody. So that's the first deal. Second deal, we have the Stanley two-piece drop forge steel plier set. You get the long nose, you get the slip joints, $4.99. Great stocking stuffers. Christmas is coming up. We got to keep our ears open to that. Normally $11.99, now $4.99. Maybe our eyes should be open instead. Stanley Steel heavy duty blade dispenser with blades. It's a 50-pack blades. This one is normally $11.99 and on sale down to $4.99. And look at that. Look at that. Made in the USA. Proud to be an American. Stanley Instant Change 6 5/8 inch retractable utility knife. We got a knife to go with them blades. We got Christmas gifts for days going on right here. Normally $9.99 down to $4.99. We have a Craftsman Tool Bag. Stick around, I can show you some other tool bags. $9.99 normally down to $4.99 now. Stanley Lever Lock 25-foot tape measure. Again, half price, normally $9.99 down to $4.99. We got a Milwaukee Sawzall 6 and 9 inch bimetal demolition reciprocating saw blade set. It's a 5-pack. This is an online only sale. Normally $18, but down to $9.99. Here's a good one. You're going to like this one. The Irwin spring clamp set. That is a 6-piece set. That's under $1 a clamp at $4.99. Here we have the Craftsman Gold Oxide drill bit set. It is a 14-piece set. You know, both Craftsman and DeWALT are Stanley Black & Decker now, and this sure looks like a DeWALT tough case. I wonder if they are interchangeable or if they have changed it just enough to be annoying and not interchangeable. I almost need to buy it just so I can see if those are the same pieces. Anyway, normally $15.99. It's on sale for $12.99. Then Ace Rewards members are going to get another $3 off down to $9.99. Here we have another drill bit set. This is Milwaukee, the Shockwave Titanium Red Helix. Boy, it sounds impressive. Do you think it's actually as impressive as it sounds? There's a lot of nice, fancy words included in there. It's a 15-piece set, so you're only paying $1 a bit. Normally $24.99 down to $14.99. Next up, we have the Milwaukee 6-piece Phillips and slotted screwdriver repair kit. I don't know how it's a repair kit. How is it not just a screwdriver kit? Do we normally see the word repair in screwdriver kits? I don't think so. I don't know what's going on there. They're 10-inch screwdrivers, apparently. Maybe the longest ones are. They don't all look the same size, but it says 10-inch. Normally $22.99 down to $14.99. We have the Milwaukee Sawzall 6 and 9 inch bimetal demolition reciprocating saw blade set. This is a 12-pack. Normally $33.99, on sale for $14.99. You see all these deals? We can definitely get up to 50 bucks to get that free shipping. I have the confidence. I know you can do it. Milwaukee Thunderbolt Black Oxide drill bit set. 21-piece set, normally $29.99 down to $19.99. Here we have the Milwaukee Fastback Press and Flip Folding Utility Knife Set. It's a 2-pack, currently selling for $21.99, but look at this. Look at that. Buy a flip knife, get a 50-pack of blades free. Let's look at our blades here, because I want to see. You can see after clicking on both of those, we get the free blades, $11.99 off. And if we look at the product page here, we can go to this one here. We got the back of the product. Look at that flag. They're made in the USA too. Okay, what do I not know about utility blades that everyone makes them in the USA? What am I missing? This one looks like it might have went out of stock, but maybe you can find it at an Ace near you. We have the 10-piece carbon steel combination pliers and wrench set. I guess it's a wrench set because it includes one crescent wrench. Sorry, adjustable wrench. Normally $45, on sale for $19.99. This is another nice deal that you're going to have to find a store near you that has it in stock. You can see I am in luck. In stock. Stanley Sawhorse set, 750-pound capacity. It is a 2-pack. Let's see this picture here. Bam, look at that thing. Normally $49.99 down to $19.99. That's $10 a horse. Now this is a deal that's been around a little bit, but while we're here, Craftsman 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, metric and SAE, 6-point and 12-point. Boy, it makes it sound like it has it all. Mechanics tool sets, 239 piece, normally $200, on sale for $120. Ace Reward members get another $20 off, so it's going to be $100. Take a look there, look at that. Upgraded, I don't know about upgraded, updated design of the Craftsman ratchets there. Here we have the Ever Ready Ready Flex 80 lumen floating lanterns, normally $7.99, on sale for $6.99 for the rewards member, so just $1 off. But notice the promo on this page. Online only, save $10 on $75 with promo code CYBER21. Now here would be one of my pet peeves with Ace Hardware when it comes to their promo codes, when it comes to their coupons that they will mail you if you are an Ace Rewards member. There are a million exclusions. If something is on clearance, it is excluded. If something is on sale, it is excluded. Certain brands are excluded. So the only time you can use the coupon generally is when something is full price. Now this is $1 off and the promo code probably applies because it's listed here. But if you notice, we have looked at almost 20 items so far, and this is the first one that this promo code has popped up on the page, so presumably it is the first one that the promo code would apply for. So I have given up completely on using any kind of coupon or promo code at Ace because it is bound to disappoint. Here we have the DeWALT circular saw blade, 24 teeth, 7 1/4 inch. Looks like it is now sold out also, unless you can find a store near you that has it. $9.99 is the sale price, but then only $6.99 for the Ace members. Really good deal if you can still find it. Maybe it'll come back in stock. I don't know how long these deals will go for. Some of them I found in different locations. Some sale items will go for an entire month, but I didn't find all of these in just the sale page, so we don't know. DeWALT Bimetal Reciprocating Saw Blade Set. This is a 6-pack, normally $18 down to $10, and then Ace Rewards members pay $7. Boy, does it pay to be an Ace Rewards member. Next up, we have the Irwin Speedboar Carbon Steel Spade Bit Set. Watch the nails. 5-piece set, normally $14.99, on sale for $9.99. Ace members save another $3, $6.99 for 5, just over $1 a piece. Then we have the DeWALT Assorted Drive Guide Bit Set, heat-treated steel, 14-piece. Look at that. Look at that. Keep that screw nice and straight. Normally $14.99 down to $6.99. Another DeWALT set. This is a 31-piece screwdriver set. Normally $14.99 down to $6.99. Here we have the Milwaukee 19-ounce milled face. Look at that milled face. That's a milled face right there. Even has a little nail holder. Framing hammer with the hickory handle. Normally $29.99. It is half price at $14.97. So there it is, guys. About 25 amazing tool deals currently going on at Ace Hardware. The link is down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber and click the bell. Bell ringers get the best deals. Everyone else is left with the scraps. Thanks for watching.